Turn to Channel 3 when the weather gets rough, and it's going to be rough today, not in terms of showers and thunderstorms, but in terms of the heat. The heat indices are going to be between 100 and 105 today. That's dangerously hot. So no kids in the car, no pets in the car, not even for a split second. Everybody stay in the air conditioning if you can today, and if you're working outside, frequent breaks and drinking plenty of water. Let's take you outside. No water on our Channel 3 early warning dew poll radar, the only live Doppler radar in Connecticut. Our attention turns to the alert. Today and tomorrow, record heat is expected. 98 is the forecast for today. That'll send an old record of 96 packing from 1944. Heat index values, again, between 100 and 105, not only today, but tomorrow. More of the same tomorrow. The temperatures tomorrow will be 2 to 3 degrees cooler than today. That means a high of 95. You're not going to really notice it. And once again, the humidity tomorrow is going to be a little bit worse than it is today. And then it really cranks up over the upcoming weekend. We're talking about dew points in the mid to upper 70s. Heat advisory in effect for today and tomorrow. Once again, the heat indices between 100 and 105. That's the real feel. And there's also an air quality alert in effect for everybody shaded in gray from 11 to 11. And that means some tough breathing out there for those in the sensitive categories, the very young, the very old, those with respiratory ailments. Seek out the air conditioning. We do have a little bit of fog. It's getting a little worse out there. 1/4 mile at Oxford Airport, 1 3/4 mile at Meriden. 2.5 in Chester, Willimantic at 1 3/4 mile, and then along the shoreline, we're doing okay as we are in inland Connecticut. There's a nice iCam shot of Mystic, looking partly cloudy right now, not too bad. As we take a look at the temperatures, they're already in the low 70s. Now that 73-degree reading at Brainerd and in Chester is 10 full degrees above average for this time of morning and this time of year. And look at the dew points already sneaking into the low 70s. 73-degree dew point. 73-degree dew point in Chester, that's tough. 60 right now in Litchfield, that's one of the cooler spots. 72 in West Haven, 71 in East Hartford, 63 in Willington. But you'll notice that feels like column. It's a little tougher out there already. Satellite and radar confirms there's not a lot going on. And according to early warning futurecast, tomorrow's weather today, we might see an isolated shower, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock for northwest Connecticut. You'll notice it right here, southwest Connecticut as well. 7 o'clock tonight, there could be a brief downpour, but then it fizzles as it moves across the state. Let's concentrate on tomorrow. We're good to go tomorrow morning. Tomorrow early afternoon, we're still good to go. This is around 1. We start to see the materialization of some scattered showers, maybe even a brief thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. And some of these downpours, some of these storms, these isolated storms could produce locally heavy rainfall because the air is so saturated, and that could lead to some poor drainage flooding tomorrow afternoon. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, okay? Then that fizzles down very late Friday evening, and then Saturday is another day with isolated storms. The winds are calm this morning. Here are your headlines. Mild and humid to start. The heat is on. More of the same tomorrow. Daytime highs today in the mid to upper 90s. Mostly sunny, hot, and humid. And then your 7-day forecast, it's just a broken record. 95 humid, 90 Saturday, Sunday, 94, 93 Monday. And then it gets a little bit better for Tuesday and Wednesday. And the latter part of next week is looking cooler, which is good news. But we've got some tough weather to get through today, tomorrow, and through the weekend.